Hello everyone and welcome back to Day to Day English channel. Dear friends, today in this video we are going to learn about one word substitutes. One word substitute is one of the integral parts of vocabulary. It simply means that a sentence has to be replaced with a single word. It requires a good vocabulary to solve the questions well. Questions based on one word substitution are often asked in various competitive exams. One word substitution means that a sentence has to be replaced with a single word. Dear friends, let's get started. One who knows everything is called omniscient. Killing of self or self-murder, suicide. A sound that cannot be heard, inaudible. That cannot be easily approached, inaccessible. A government by the people, democracy. A government by a king or queen, monarchy. A government by the officials, bureaucracy. A government by the rich, plutocracy. A government by nobles, aristocracy. One who is all-powerful, omnipotent. One who is present everywhere, omnipresent. Incapable of being corrected, incorrigible. Incapable of being repaired, irreparable. Incapable of being read, illegible. Incapable of being avoided, inevitable. Incapable of being practiced, impracticable. One who doesn't believe in the existence of God, atheist. A person appointed by two parties to solve a dispute, arbitrator. One who makes an official examination of accounts, auditor. Person living at the same time, contemporaries. A person who regards the whole world as his country, cosmopolitan. One who is a center of attraction, cynosure. One who is for pleasure of eating and drinking, epicure. Someone who leaves one country to settle in another, emigrant. One who believes in fate, fatalist. Confer as an honor, honorary. One who does not express himself freely, introvert. Who behaves without moral principles, immoral. One who is unable to pay his debts, insolvent. A person who is mentally ill, lunatic. A lover of mankind, philanthropist. One who lives in solitude, recluse. An arrangement of flowers that is usually given as a present, bouquet. One who often talks of his achievements, egoist. A group of worshippers, congregation. A community of people smaller than a village, hamlet. A group of cattle or sheep or other domestic animals, herd. One who supervises in the examination hall, invigilator. A person who compiles dictionaries, lexicographer. One who presents radio program, radio jockey. The study of physiology, classification and distribution of animals, zoology. A collection of historical documents or records, archives. A large tall cupboard in which clothes may be hung or stored, wardrobe. One who studies the evolution of mankind, anthropologist. A person who writes beautiful writing, calligrapher. A person who composes the sequence of steps and moves for a performance of dance, choreographer. A person who introduces the performers or contestants in a variety show, compare. The art or practice of garden cultivation and management, horticulture. Dear friends, these one-word substitutions are the integral part of vocabulary. Learn these words by heart. Read it again and again. Practice it daily. It will be easy then. Thank you.